In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp. We'll use Zapier to build an automation that takes information from Airtable and creates or updates work in ClickUp, so your data and tasks stay perfectly in sync without manual copy-paste. Start by heading to the Zapier homepage and signing in. From the dashboard, click Create to start a new workflow. When the options appear, choose Automated Workflows. This opens the editor and brings up Zapier's Copilot, which can draft the basics for you. In the Copilot prompt, type something like Connect Airtable to ClickUp. This tells Zapier you want Airtable to be the source of updates and ClickUp to be the place where actions happen. Next, open the Actions section in the Workflow editor. Click Apps to choose which app will perform the action, then select ClickUp. Pick the action event that matches your goal, such as creating a task. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to connect your ClickUp account. Just authorize the connection so Zapier can add tasks to the correct workspace. You'll then see fields like Workspace, Space, Folder, and List. Choose where you want new items to land in ClickUp. Now set up the trigger. Open the app picker again and choose Airtable. Select the event you want to watch for, such as New Record. Connect your Airtable account if needed. Then choose the base, the specific table, and optionally a view to narrow down which records should trigger the workflow. Using a filtered view is a great way to avoid sending drafts or incomplete rows. With both sides selected, it's time to configure. In the Airtable trigger, pull in a recent sample record so Zapier has real data to work with. In the ClickUp action, map Airtable fields to ClickUp fields. For example, use an Airtable name or title column for the task name, a long text column for the description, and any date fields for due dates. If you use assignees or tags, map them from consistent values in Airtable so they line up correctly in ClickUp. Pay attention to required fields in ClickUp. Make sure each has a corresponding Airtable field to prevent errors. When the mapping looks right, run a test from within Zapier. Check ClickUp to confirm the task appears in the correct list with the expected details. If something is off, adjust the field mapping and test again. Finally, give your workflow a clear name, publish it, and turn it on. From now on, whenever your chosen condition is met in Airtable, ClickUp will update automatically, saving you time and keeping your projects moving.